Good morning, it's Peter here on Doxie, here on our way to Queensland, and it is day 32, I believe. Anyway, here in the beautiful Port Macquarie still. I'm sorry, I'm wearing sunglasses and a hat because I've been told about squinting. Thank you. Yeah, so it's a beautiful day. It started cold, it was about 10 degrees. It's not going to get awfully warm today, but it's just nice sitting in the sun. If you're out of the wind and in the sun, it's fantastic. So yeah, started the engine this morning, yay. And if you've followed my previous videos, yeah, I've had some electricity problems here on the boat. Yesterday I purchased and installed a new crank battery. Separated it from the house batteries because the way it was set up when I've only had Doxie for a few months, so probably was not set up in the best possible way, but learning as we go. And I basically did a temporary fix. I get the cranking battery, I put the old batteries together as a house battery bank. And once I get further north to, say, Gold Coast or whatever, where there's a bit more choice, I will do the rest of the upgrade basically. So anyway, as long as we can get ourselves going. So this morning I've also, this morning I had a hot shower. Sorry, did I mention that? It was a high point. So yes, I had the engine running, so that was great. So I've been charging nicely on the solar panel here. Probably not the most powerful one I could have. That'll be resolved at some stage in the future. I also currently have my temporary fold-out one here. And basically I've just been working on getting that to charge up everything, and yeah, shouldn't film while you're struggling around. Okay, so what I've got that doing at the moment is just feeding into the house batteries and bringing them up because they haven't really been charged for a while. So yeah, it's a bit of a jury rig at the moment, but it is doing what I wanted to do. Now I just got to clean up all the tools and stuff. Basically what happened to one of the wires on that fold-out solar panel basically parted during the sail up here from Forster. So I've just done a bit of jury rig wiring to be able to use that again. Now I've got to tidy up all this rubbish and get some coffee happening. Yeah, in addition, I'm also charging up my emergency starter battery. Yeah, it's a cool little thing now. They're very much smaller in size than they used to be because it's lithium now. So, yeah, we'll get that up to charge, but those take a while to charge. So, and put that away for a rainy day, literally. I didn't catch the others going out, but 4 or 5 yachts have actually gone out to have a little sail with their racing on it. I don't know. Sunday races would make sense. Very pleasant day here in Port Macquarie today. Northerly, so no good for me going anywhere north, but certainly very pleasant here. So looks like these guys are heading out too, or maybe just going up the river. And then there are touristy things as well. I thought to myself, oh, it'd be nice to go ashore. And then I had a look and I thought, oh no, way too many of these two-legged things walking around. I'll wait until Tuesday if I'm still here. And then there's people who've been out fishing. Look at the brown in that white bow wave. Oh, it looks like the Port Adventures cruise is right in the edge of the envelope there, taking people right up to the breakwater, right up to the bar. Anyway, I'm sure they've got their own bar anyway. Now, what am I going to do? I am actually going to move Doxie to one of the public moorings just a bit further up. It'll just take me out of a little bit of the roll that happens here at certain stages of the tide. It's not dramatic, but if I've got to be here a bit longer, I might as well be comfortable, right? And yeah, nothing like a new perspective, hey? So yeah, once the tide slackens, I'll get on with that. And here they come back from their adventure. Looks a lot more oppressive at night when they've got all the lights going. Flashing disco lights and you name it. Anyway, great day to be doing that. Great day to be on the water in any way, shape or form. Alright, just heading up now to the furthest of the four. And yeah, secure up there. Different view slightly. Bit further away from the screaming playground. I like that. Well, that looks like it's the end of Sunday pretty much. The sun, oh, I just looked up and through the window saw the moon. It's getting close to full now, so nice. I'll have to make sure that my night passages, if I do any in the near future, are under that. Anyway, its sun is just going down. It has become quite cold now, so I'm inside. And yes, having a nice little red wine, just for a change. I did move the boat, as you saw. There weren't 4 moorings, there were 3, but because I was seeing them against the sun, I didn't see that the 4th mooring was actually blue, and that denotes an emergency mooring. So I fell back to the 3rd one, which is still good, and just good to get the engine going, turn the prop and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, just secure here now, ready for another nice night. I was chatting to a guy before, Scott. He's got a schooner here and he's heading off early in the morning, and it got me thinking, oh, that would be great, that'd be great. But yeah, he's got about 300 square meters of sail, and he's probably going to be in double digits, he said, speed wise. So I thought, yeah, you'll get ahead of the weather, me not necessarily. So I will be content to stay here a few more days, possibly Wednesday or Thursday, yeah, then we'll make our move. But meanwhile, I'll just keep myself amused here in Port Macquarie. Anyway, just a shorty today, but thank you for following along. It will get more exciting, I keep saying that. Exciting scenery-wise, let's put it that way, not exciting adventure-wise. Be careful what you wish for. Anyway, thank you for following. This is Dawn Raider, out. Thanks for watching another Adventures of Foxy Doxie. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.